Hi, I'm Yani. I know you don't know me, or maybe you do. I promise you don't. Why? Because I'm still discovering, choosing, and creating who I am. It changes moment to moment, sometimes. Yet, there is this meanness, this I am, that permeates every expression I take form as. Now I'm getting ahead of myself. This is an introduction to a vlog that was filmed in the spring of last year. Yeah, last year. As we ease into the end of this one. Why? Why post it all? Why now? Because I'm ready. We are. Last year, I was laden with anxiety, insecurity, imposter syndrome, impatience, and the like. All of which led me to archiving and dismissing tons of photos, footage, stories, and getting caught in painful start-stop loops. However, the past 6 months, I have been in an intense, self-guided rebirth, tending to old wounds, beliefs that don't serve me, my ego, learning to truly lead with love and communicate with love, trust, and intention. That's me, in part. I also happen to be fortunately married to someone who is leading themselves through a similar journey. Together, we've both come to a space of being ready to share, to have a pocket on the internet to look back and remember these moments of our life with gratitude and love, to hold space to appreciate the laughs, lessons, connections, and wonder. And maybe, just maybe, to be able to grow with a few others. We're storytellers, artists, masterpieces. Welcome to House of Fluid Reflections. More on the name soon. For now. Good morning. So I like to start off the mornings, well actually Shaah and I love to start off our mornings with some movement. We usually do a few asanas, usually sun A or a sun B before getting into our day. Now that it's gorgeous outside, we love to do it outside. We usually do this after we've done our morning journaling, and then this is what we do before our morning walk. So yeah, it also gives them an opportunity to be outside and have fun with us as we, wake up our bodies. He gets a chance to wake up his too, and we get to just sort of set the intention as a family to have a good day. On to making the bed. So making the bed is usually something I do immediately after we get up, but that didn't happen this day. Something Shaah and I are both working on is being more gentle with ourselves, especially when it comes to the order in which we do things. We're more focused on did it get done versus did it get done in the exact way that I would prefer it to. So in true us fashion, we were hungry, so we had to stop and eat. Something like that. So we're at our favorite spot. We're at Jinya.
That's the
We were treated to a shooter on the house from our lovely servers. You are. Side note, so the backstory on these shooters is that our waiter, Ronnie, shout out to Ronnie, we've had her several times now, but she was actually the waitress who was our host and serving us the night that Shaah proposed, that we got engaged. So she had so many tables, she didn't realize that was what had happened, and so she actually treated us to these to celebrate with us. So yeah, shout out to Ronnie. A cool extra part of our story. That was delicious. That was great. Yeah. What was in that? Yeah. We're at our favorite spot now inside. It started raining. Hi. So it started raining, so we had to come inside. It started raining. So we're indoors because of the rain. So we're inside because of the rain, but still alive. We're waiting for Big Bear to open, so
30 more minutes.
18. So after enjoying lunch at Jinya, one of our second favorite things to do after that is to slide over to the Baked Bear and enjoy an ice cream sandwich. I was actually so sad because my favorite, the chocolate chip or the cookie dough cookie, was not available, so we had to go with the chocolate, but it was still delicious nonetheless. That's how we complete a stop by Jinya. So good. Oh yeah, don't judge. I couldn't tell how many I was getting. Well, at least he gave us a transition. Can't take you anywhere. But that mixed in the base with like that mosquito. So we actually stopped by Ikea for the purpose of getting some things to help us finish our master bedroom. We've been slowly but surely making our way through the house and refurbing and actually renovating wholly some of the different rooms, and Ikea is one of our favorite places to start. So we got some faux plants, also decided on the mirror set that'll go on our biggest wall. We're actually replacing our TV with these mirrors. We're going for a more focused feel in the bedroom, like more intimate with each other and puppy instead of being consumed by media. Trying to set some boundaries for myself. So we'll see how it goes. Somebody. So at the time of filming this, we were actually on our way out of town for a few back-to-back trips. So that is why the ridiculous mountain of clothes exists. We are also in the process of doing some giveaway item separation. So there was just a whirlwind of a lot of things happening at this point. So proceed with caution. And hello, I'm editing Yani. Thank you for watching. That's all for now. That day was just a fun day, and it was also nice to do a little flashback to our engagement. I hope you enjoyed today's story. a chapter from the middle of our books, or at bare minimum, that it gave you cause for laughter, a smile, or inspiration to bask in the magic of every day. Or maybe, just maybe, decide to share stories of your own. I'm Yolanda Marie, Yani for short, and together with my love, we are House of Fluid Reflections. See you soon. For now, peace, love, and fairy dust. All that good stuff.